Daily routine household chores vocabulary. Make a bed.
Make a bed.
Change the bed sheet.
Change the bed sheet.
Change the pillow cover.
Change the pillow cover.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Dry the dishes.
Dry the dishes.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Cook the dinner.
Cook the dinner.
Clean the table.
Clean the table.
Wipe the counter.
Wipe the counter.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Vacuum the carpet.
Vacuum the carpet.
Mop the floor.
Mop the floor.
Do the dusting.
Do the dusting.
Clean the window.
Clean the window.
Brew the coffee.
Brew the coffee.
Prepare the meal.
Prepare the meal.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
Hang out the clothes.
Hang out the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Fold the clothes.
Fold the clothes.
Organize the closet.
Organize the closet.
Chop the vegetables.
Chop the vegetables.
Clean the bathroom sink.
Clean the bathroom sink.
Clean the oven.
Clean the oven.
Bake the cake.
Bake the cake.
Paint the wall.
Paint the wall.
Decorate the house.
Decorate the house.
Feed the pets.
Feed the pets.
Mow the lawn.
Mow the lawn.
Sort and recycle.
Sort and recycle.
Unpack the groceries.
Unpack the groceries.
Grill the steak.
Grill the steak.
Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Keep the things in fridge.
Keep the things in fridge.
Chop the woods.
Chop the woods.
Set up the shelves.
Set up the shelves.
Scrub the floor.
Scrub the floor.
Dress up my baby.
Dress up my baby.
Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.